I am standing here at the Pep Boys at the corner of Hawthorne and Lawndale. So how much does it cost if you run over a giant object and destroy your tire and you have the road hazard warranty and you have to get a whole new tire? Now if they put a plug in your tire, that's a different thing. I believe they do that almost cheap or free. But I had to get a whole new tire replacement, so they had to prorate it. So this is what the overall bill ended up being. So they charged me for tire mounting, tire handling, 90-day wheel balance, and a road hazard warranty, so a total of $36. They prorated the tire, so I had to pay for $24 for the tire, $1.75 to Gavin Newsom, so a total of $64.92 for my free tire replacement under the Pep Boys warranty. Decent deal, I guess. I'm just happy to be back on the road. Also did a public service for everybody else on the road by picking this thing up. So this is a trailer hitch locker. So you put this on your trailer so nobody can steal it, and it locks on there. But I think this guy must have forgotten about it and put it probably on the side of his trailer, and then it bounced off, and then it took out my tire in the rain. Nasty, nasty business that. That'll destroy your tire.